All right, boom, boom, boom. This is my first fucking video, bro. Okay, let me not cuss, all right? But what's going on YouTube? If you don't know me, I'm very unprofitable, and I'm documenting my journey from zero to fucking everything. Okay, I'm gonna keep it a buck. My main goal, my main objective, and has always been my objective: get good fucking results from trading. And I'm talking good results. I'm talking about multiple figure payouts, multiple high figure payouts with trading. And then from there, I'm dropping a fucking paid Discord, all right? And a mentorship, okay? I'm going to become a trading guru. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to keep it a buck. So first video on here, I'm letting you guys know. So when it happens, I don't want you guys, oh my God, he switched up on us. No, letting you know from the start. Anyway, trade recap. Hold on. And I'm also very, very new to doing these like recaps, whatever. You feel me? So this is like very, very new to me. If it doesn't come out, I might actually crash out. Anyway, I made $0 today because I took 0 trades, and I'm also on evals. If you guys can see here, I have $600 to lose before blowing all 5. If I lose these, I'm not gonna quit. I'm just gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy more until I win. Okay, that's the name of the fucking game. You gamble until you win. All right, quitters don't win. Anyway, market open, we fucking pump. Okay, let me tell you why I didn't place any trades. It's because I've been on a losing streak. For the past 2 days, I've just been losing. So I was kind of scared. I'm gonna keep it a buck, 150. I was scared going into today. Okay, and I was also up pretty late last night, oh my God, I was going crazy. Okay, anyway, lock the fuck in. Going into today, I was kind of scared to place trades. My setups were there. The setups were there, but the thing is, I just didn't take them. All right, going into today, and this guys, okay, I also have ADHD, or I think I like self-diagnosed myself with ADHD. It's kind of hard for me to stay on one topic. Whatever, you guys got to work with me. I'm working with you guys, and whatever. Anyway, I can't fucking like I wish this was like Trading View where I could do like FX replay, but this is Top Step. It doesn't have that feature. Anyway, going into market open, what was my bias? I didn't have a bias going into market open. I feel like that was another reason why I didn't place any trades. I didn't have a bias until we inversed this 1 hour fair value gap. Once we inversed this 1 hour fair value gap, I was pretty bullish. What were my targets? All right, all-time highs. All-time high was my target that I was thinking about taking. I didn't take it, right? But I was thinking about taking it. Okay. So going until 7 a.m. I'm from California, so 7 a.m. is your guys' like 11, right? 7 a.m. I didn't have a bias. I was not fucking looking to take any trades because, again, I didn't have a bias. We were inversing these 1 hours, so this is bearish. We were also inversing fucking bullish or respecting bullish, so it was just a mix. I didn't have a strong bias, so I just waited until we inversed this 1 hour, and this 1 hour I'm pretty sure is also a 4 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Let me bring my keyboard over here. So hold on, sorry guys, sorry chat. Why did I think of this earlier? Am I retarded? I don't think I can say that on YouTube anyway. So on this 4 hour, right? I was waiting until we also inversed this 4 hour, and we did. Okay, so here around this area, at this point in time, my whole bias went from having no bias to bullish. So now I was thinking, okay, I'm looking for buys, and if I look for buys, what am I aiming for? I'm looking for this all-time highs as my fucking my draw on liquidity. Okay, so where did we inverse that 4 hour? Hold on, let me go back to the 4 hour so I can see where we inversed that fucking 4 hour. Sorry, bear with me, dude. Anyway, boom. Oh my gosh, my chart is like cancerous, bro. I have so much stuff on here. Anyway, if I am truly bullish on the day, what am I looking for? My model is I go purely off of AMD. I love when price accumulates. I love when price manipulates, and I love when price distributes. I love when price, whenever price, if you guys want to listen to me, you guys don't have to. I'm unprofitable, but I feel like I know what I'm talking about. The thing is, I feel like I'm unprofitable because I love to gamble. I love to fucking full port every trade I see, and it fucks me over all the time. Anyway. What am I looking for? If we are truly bullish on the day, what am I looking for? I'm waiting for price to accumulate. I'm waiting for price to manipulate. Manipulation is basically retesting a range. Retesting the range that we made and then distributing. And it's going to inverse any type of fair value gaps. It's going to break fucking structure. That's what I'm looking for, okay? So right here is when price inverse this 4 hour. So now I'm thinking, okay, we're bearish on the day. What am I looking for that's going to allow me to what confluences am I looking for that's going to allow price to retest a range, okay? So if I'm looking to look for AMD, I am expecting price to accumulate, dump, right? I'm not going to look for shorts because obviously now my bearish is bullish. I'm not going to look for shorts. I'm still looking for buys, but I want price to dump so I could know, okay, now we're actually in the manipulation phase. Now I'm looking to see what is price tapping into before we can start distributing, okay? On the 5 minute, I always go for 5 or the 15 minutes to find any type of confluences, okay? we have a 5-minute fair value gap that price did tap into, and then fucking we did start inversing like lower time frame fair value gaps, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, whatever. We inversed, and then we fucking went to TP, but I didn't take it because I was scared. Okay, and another reason why I did not take it, right? I didn't take it just because I was scared. Another reason why I didn't take it was because not only did we have this one 5-minute, we had a second 5-minute, and then we had a 15-minute fair value gap as well. Okay, what was I looking for? I was looking for a price to get more in a discounted range. Okay, so from this low to I think it was around this time, to from this low to this high, I was looking for price to get at least to equilibrium, or at least to get to OTE, okay, or at least to get to this 15-minute fair value gap. If price dumped this much, tapped into this 15-minute, or at least tap into like this 15-minute, right? Because it's in more of a discounted range, I lucky would have put my pussiness to the side, and I probably would have took the trade. But since I was already kind of scared because I lost yesterday's 2 trades, I took a trade and then I kind of revenge traded. I lost that, and then the day before I took an A+ trade and I lost that too. And I don't the first time. Okay, oh my god, I'm gonna rant to you guys. I'm gonna rant to you guys. The first trade that I took 2 days ago, it was A+, but market conditions kind of fucked me over. Second, the next day I took a trade, it was A+ again, but then if I got fucked over again, market conditions. It's never my fault. It's market conditions, okay? And then I took the trade, a second one, because I was like, oh my god, there's no way price fucked me over on an A+ trade. Maybe it was just a bad execution. Maybe my entry was just bad. But no, it was just market conditions. Anyway. I was waiting for price to dump lower, tapping into here, and then I would have executed. I swear to God, I would have. But price didn't. Price entered off this 5-minute, which is fine, okay? I personally didn't want to take this 5-minute. Why didn't I want to take this 5-minute? Any answers? If you guys are paying attention, I didn't want to take this 5-minute because it was not in a discounted range, okay? So I was not comfortable taking it. I seen price accumulate, manipulate here, and then I think there's an inverse on the 1, or I'm pretty sure it was a 2, actually. I seen price come here. Let me delete this because my OCD is messing me up, okay? I seen price accumulate, I seen it manipulate, and then it inversed. Let me actually get rid of these as well. Okay. I seen price accumulate. Okay. Again, if we are bullish, if my bias is now bullish, I am looking for accumulation, manipulation, and then bullish distribution. We had our accumulation, we had our manipulation. I wanted price to fucking manipulate lower, at least tapping into this 15-minute before I could take a trade, but price didn't. It just tapped into this 5-minute for whatever reason. I don't know, whatever. Price then taps into this. It manipulates this, right? The entry was to the tick. It was to the tick. To the tick. It was to the tick. Boom. Price inverses is 2-minute. It taps in and then it starts distributing. If I wasn't pussy, it wasn't even that, because I was kind of following my rules. I was waiting. I was being picky with the trade. I was being picky with my trade. Okay. I was being picky. I wanted price to go into a lower discounted range before I even took a trade, right? Did that happen? No. Okay. Did fucking this trade that I would have took off, like, if I took this trade, it probably would have been like a B minus setup. You feel me? It played out. And the reason why, now that I was talking to my Discord, I was talking to my Discord. The reason why I'm pretty sure this played out was because we have a devil's mark right here. You see this? I don't want to delete that, but you see this you see this candle here? There's no wick. That is a good draw on liquidity. Price comes, sweeps out this devil mark, taps into this 5-minute, and then gives reaction. Okay? I could have, in hindsight, I could have been like, oh man, easy trade, whatever. But also, I'm kind of proud of myself, pat on the back to me for not taking this trade, because I was following my rules. I wanted it to get into a more discount range, at least tapping into this 15-minute or this 15-minute before looking for longs. But it didn't happen, okay? Going forward, maybe I could use discretionary. I could have maybe, thought to myself, hey, Timmy, do I really think after inversing that 1 hour, after inversing that 1 and 4 hour, do I really think that price is going to jump all the way down here and then give a reaction? Or do I think price is gonna accumulate, manipulate down, tapping into this devil marks, which is rare, okay? And then fucking continue up higher. Maybe I could have done that, but I didn't. Whatever. Okay. I lost $0 on the day. I'm trying to pass these 5 evaluations, and I am here is my fucking okay. Last week I was pretty good. This is my downfall. This is my downfall. Took a trade, boom, smacked it. I went break even on this day, boom. Next day, took a trade, smacked it. No, I took 2 trades because the first trade was a break even trade, and then I re-entered because it was A+, whatever. Boom, yeah. Second trade, I don't know, I forgot about this day, but break even again. This day fucked me up bad. I've revenge traded crazy. Okay, took an L. I took an L, and I was saying, oh my god, this was A+. Why did price fuck me over? So I took another trade. And I risked heavy this day. I risked pretty heavy. Do I regret this day? Yes. Only because of the risk, okay? I was going into Friday, government shutdown. Why am I risking heavy? I don't know. Stop on the risk. I'm not doing it again. Whatever. This day, Tuesday, I didn't trade Monday. I forgot why. I just didn't. I don't know. Tuesday, I didn't trade. Wait, was that yesterday? Yeah, that was yesterday, actually. Tuesday, I took a trade. I lost, okay? It was one trade. I lost, hopped off. It fucked up my mental, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Today, no trades. Why? And even if let's say I wasn't being a pussy today, right? I still probably wouldn't have took that trade because I wanted price to get into a lower discounted range. Did I pay the price for that? Yes. Okay, but did I also pay the price of knowing that I followed my rules? Yes. Okay, so yeah, that's my first trade recap on here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm unprofitable. I'm saying this off the bat. I'm unprofitable. I have 0 payouts. I'm documenting my journey. I'm documenting me from 0 to 100 to everything. I'm documenting that all. My main goal, I'm saying this again, I'm saying this right now. My main goal is to get a bunch of fucking payouts. Get a bunch of payouts. I'm going to tell you guys how I went from 0 to nothing in a paid Discord. Okay? And then from that paid Discord, I'm getting a bunch of students' testimonials. I'm getting all of their testimonials. All my students, all of them. They're all gonna get payouts. They're all gonna fucking pass their evals. They're all gonna get finance. They're all gonna boss up with my Discord. From there, I'm using their testimonials. I'm gonna funnel that into a mentorship. I'm going from fucking 25K a month, 50K a month to fucking hundreds and thousands of dollars a month. Right now, I'm at 0K a month. Trading wise. Okay, trading wise. But you guys are seeing, if you guys are watching this video, you guys are seeing my journey. And I'm so fucking excited for you guys to see. Wait, why am I talking to the, hold on. You guys are seeing this firsthand. And you guys should feel excited with me. Okay, so let me get a clickbait title real quick. Oh shit, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Low-key, I'm about to fucking... Guys, this is fucked up. If I don't care. This is clickbait. I'm about to pretend like I bought and take this whole move. Fight me, nigga! Fight me! What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? Fight me! Honestly, like, fight me, bro. Fight me. Do something about it. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So, I'm assuming I'm... Okay. I'm gonna pretend like I caught this entire move. Okay, clickbait title. Guys, really, I'm not even this big. I just have like a 0.5 lens. I'm this big. I'm still pretty big, right? But it's not as big as fucking that. Whatever. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I got this out the way. That was kind of fun, actually. So I'm gonna stop recording. I'm not even gonna edit this. I'm just post it raw. And yeah, let's get it. See you guys.